First, let's look at proper mounting of the NVR to the wall. Depending on the order, brackets are provided separately for the NVR, and we will use these to mount the NVR on the wall. We have different choices of brackets, such as the 3RU rack mount bracket and the 4RU rack mount bracket. The 3RU rack mount bracket will house an EdgeVR 200. The 4RU rack mount bracket may house the EdgeVR 200 and the 1800 series encoder, although common practice for the bank is to mount the encoder directly on the wall next to the NVR. In this application, we typically have a sheetrock wall. We do not recommend mounting the EdgeVR directly to the sheetrock as it weighs about 30 pounds. So for this situation, we locate the wall studs and mount a piece of plywood to the studs on the sheetrock. We are going to mount the NVR itself onto the plywood. To mount the wall bracket onto the wall, first find the desired location of where we want the mount to be. Be sure to consider the requirement that the back of the NVR must be facing to the right for proper airflow. Also ensure there is adequate space on the left for the front panel door to swing open and the panel display to be clearly readable. Now, with the level, make sure the bracket is level. Use a pen or marker to mark the locations of the holes. Using the screws provided, mount the bracket to the plywood. After the bracket is properly mounted to the wall, take the NVR and set it into place. With the screws provided, mount the NVR to the bracket.